Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you. Today we are starting a survival series with our friend. They just fell off the tree. Okay, so let's go into first person mode. Uh, okay, we are in first person mode. Okay, so we all got. So we all got a starting map. That's the only thing we all got.
Yes.
So create
can I
map.
hear- Okay.
So first let's get
create
some
the map.
melons.
Create the map. Okay.
We created the map. Okay, now let's get some food now.
Keep it in your offhand so that the map covers.
Yeah.
Okay. Cut some melons. These things for food.
Okay, our map is on our offhand.
Yeah. In this episode, we are thinking to do like build a starter's house.
Yeah.
Like that. And our friend Mandeep Games will join.
He will also join soon.
Yeah, all the channels links will be in the description box. Please please subscribe to them. Sabi the Gamer, my brother Mandeep Games, Rory Cat, and those all guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Please
I'm
follow
chopping
the
down
picture
some
of
wood.
Both of us. No creative guys, no cheating.
Yeah, no
They're not
cheating.
cheating.
I already got some seeds, so we can start farming already.
Yeah, and the melons are some little
You
bit
can.
rare, but,
I have 30 melons.
Yeah, if you can hear his voice clearly, please tell in the comments below if you can hear it.
Yeah.
Clearly, or say we can't hear, we'll do something for that.
We'll arrange a mic or something.
Yeah, and by next every Sunday we'll do, guys. Every Sunday we'll do.
Yeah, every Sunday or Monday the video will be uploaded.
Yeah. And
Okay.
Don't hit this pandas like this special.
They will kill you. They will kill you.
Yeah. It's aggressive to you.
But you can still feed it bamboo.
Yeah. Be careful while feeding bamboo.
Yeah. Now I'm just getting some wood. I'm getting jungle
even I am
logs.
getting some wood so that we can make some tools.
Yeah. But I never thought we would spawn in a jungle like this.
Yeah. Same.
Right next to a bamboo forest.
Yeah, and there is a desert also I saw.
No, I didn't see
When
that.
explored in the world. Yeah. We can also do servers video like some other day.
Yeah. We'll just play multiplayer on Hive.
Yeah, we play on Hive or CubeCraft like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend Sati is here. Sati the gamer. Yeah.
Okay, now I've got 25 jungle logs, so I guess that's enough. We'll make some tools now.
Okay.
Rishi, where are you? Oh, you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm making some planks.
Oh, I made 13 crafting tables by mistakenly.
Oh,
Instead
no.
of clicking here, I clicked Y.
Oh, no.
Take
At
some
least you can smelt them in a furnace and use it as a fuel.
Guys, it's actually not lagging, guys. For all of us, it's not lagging.
Yeah, it's not at all lagging. It's very responsive.
Yeah, the internet connection is really good for us.
Yeah, so okay, now let's make some tools. Already we got a crafting table.
Yeah, you just make a wooden pickaxe and mine the stone.
Yeah, I'll just make a wooden pickaxe. That's it.
I'll mine more wood. You mine little bit of.
Should I
stone.
make a pickaxe for you also?
Yeah, make a one because I made all 13 crafting tables.
Okay, I'll make another one.
Yeah,
Also, we can I have seeds, so we can try and tame the parrots here.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for
Feed.
the pickaxe.
Tame. Oh no, it rejected me.
Okay. What are you doing, Ram? Tell me.
Okay, I got some more.
Cobblestone. For cobblestone, he's mining down it since. If we
Okay.
hit 20 likes on this video, we'll upload another video on next Sunday.
Yeah, we'll do it an extra long episode.
Yeah, like.
Oh shit! I just hit the bird.
Oh.
I'll just get some bamboo. We need around 16 cobblestone, which is enough for furnace and stone tools and all.
Yeah, my brother already made a hole. Come inside this hole and mine stone. Sorry.
Someone got hurt, I heard the sound.
Yeah, I actually reduced my sound because my voice should be clear. That's
Actually,
why
I can hear some sheep around here. I don't know where, but I can hear
the
them.
sheep are very important.
Yeah, we need beds. We need a total of around 3 for you. Yeah, around 9 or 7 sheep. 9 or 18 sheep, like that.
And we should keep the sheep carefully because this is a jungle. We'll not have any sheep spawning in.
Yeah,
So hard to spawn them.
I think 21 cobblestone is enough.
Okay, I have 16 currently. Yeah, 20. I've got pumpkins. Yeah.
25 cobblestone is enough, I guess.
Yeah, I'm mining some little bit extra.
Okay, Srishi, I'm making you also stone pickaxe.
No need. I have cobblestone. I'll make for.
Okay. I'm going.
The episode with 30 minutes in. 30 minutes.
Yeah.
It's enough, right? 30 minutes.
Okay, I'm collecting some bamboo so that we can use it as a furnace fuel.
Yeah. And yeah, bamboo is really good for furnace fuel. And I need to make an axe for myself. Anybody want food?
No.
When I'm crafting, it's a little bit glitchy because I don't know why.
Yeah.
But I can manage it.
I found a cave where I'm standing right now.
Yeah. Don't go into the cave because we still don't have some good
Torches.
equipment.
We don't have torches.
Yeah, even torches we don't have. We'll go into the caves like after some time. And Panda is eating bamboo. Okay.
Okay, first we'll go to the desert that Rishi mentioned.
Yeah.
Workers are gone.
Okay. Actually,
Hey, there's a village.
yes. Where?
Okay, I need to find a bed now. That's all I need. And there's also a grindstone.
Max, you only keep it right.
No, I have 2 iron pickaxe.
Yeah, one give it to my brother.
Okay.
I don't want it.
Where is
I
he?
made it myself. I don't hoe. No, I don't have a hoe. I thought I made a hoe. And there is spruce,
Okay.
guys. My favorite biome in all time.
Take this. Okay, your brother took the
And
iron.
there is a oak.
I don't understand where the achievements show up. Strays will spawn at night if you don't sleep early.
Oh, Iron Man is going to hit me. Save me.
Oh, no.
Mistake. I did a silly mistake.
Build up.
I'm running away.
No.
No.
But I got your stuff, don't worry. I got all your stuff.
Okay. I'm going to come back. I'm killing the animal. Wait.
Where is your... Hey, get out of the cactus.
Be careful and kill the iron golem again.
No, I don't want to risk it.
Yeah.
Also, I found another cave.
Yeah, and we have Mesa. We can get enchanted golden apples. We have chance to get enchanted golden apples.
Yeah, we have... Hey, I'm collecting some sugarcane, right? Hey, Ram that died.
Kill the iron golem. Leave it.
Come fast. Your stuff will despawn. I don't have enough inventory space.
Yeah, it will be like lying for 5 minutes and it will despawn. We'll go and explore Mesa.
Explore the mesa.
Hey, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Actually, my phone fell. Yeah, I picked it up. Not on the floor.
Okay, we need to go from another... Oh, there's a cave.
We took a shield.
Uh,
We
we-
need at least a shield to protect us from the skeleton.
Yeah, it's been so long since... how much? It's been like... What? It's been like 17 minutes and we still didn't find any coal.
Yeah. Actually, we are going to cut some parts, right? It will become like a 10 minutes. Not
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Also, it's getting night, so we should sleep now. I guess we'll just set camp over here and sleep before any mob spawn. Okay, 3.
Pets, okay?
Okay, whatever you say. But if we go XP,
Yeah. And before he joins, only there's a big incident happened. I fell from there to here because of the spider. Yeah.
Okay, I'm making some torches now.
Yeah, I have torches.
I have 16 torches now. I'll just light up this area. Oh, there's more, guys.
Yeah.
Like right here.
Down here, like Sati, come over here. Some.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm lighting up so that no mobs spawn.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just collect some coal and come 1 minute. Iron, I found iron.
Nice. Even I found iron. I'll make shields for ourselves so that.
Skeleton. I'm coming.
Coming
Oh, it has got an enchanted bow. Oh, thank God.
Okay.
I have 1 heart.
Okay. Sati, I have a little bit of iron ore and coal. I think so. I'll cut this part so that. Wait,
Oh, no.
where I'm not talking, I will cut a lot of.
Oh, there's a creeper. Help. I have an iron. No. Oh.
It died. Guys, I have 31 gold. Sati, be inside the cave while you're outside. It's night. Sati, come over here. It's a lot of cave to explore. Come over here.
Wherever I am, there's stuff.
I'm coming. And Sati, where is our furnace with the iron? Let me bring.
Yeah, I broke it. It is in my inventory now.
Can you give me a little bit of iron?
Okay, I'll place the furnace down. Enchanted skeletons with bows. Okay, are we ready to go in there? Where the light is there?
Okay.
Rishi, come on, we need to go. There are so many mobs in there.
Yeah. You guys.
Yeah. Go. Oh, no.
See? Oh, there is something else. Oh, there's a little bit of gold. We'll mine it out. I'll mine this gold and this all stuff, okay?
Okay, all my friends we are battling so many mobs here.
Yeah. Actually, the video actually
I
came.
forgot to mention in this gap, I and Rishi got full iron armor.
Yeah. And we'll build our first house in next episode, guys. When Manideep Games will come, we'll build our first house.
Yeah.
Actually, we thought to call him today, but for now we thought let us go.
Okay, first now we'll go to the surface.
No.
No, what happened? I'm stuck in the water.
I went up.
2,000 years later.
And there's a drown chasing me. Oh, guys. Oh. Guys, hey, kill this drown. Should drown.
Where is it?
Died.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, there are more.
Okay, come on, let's go near our beds, Sati. The beds are up. Oh,
Where are our beds?
our beds are here on top of this mountain. Come behind me.
Okay, I'm coming. Also, there's a savanna.
Yeah, that only I wanted to tell. And we'll mine some blocks for our house, guys.
Yeah, we'll collect some resources and stuff.
Yeah, but next week episode we'll
Okay, so we are now here. I am trying to go to our beds.
yeah, come over here. We'll go our beds and we'll stop the video. Houses for the next episode, guys.
Yeah, we'll build a base next episode.
Yeah, we'll mine some terracotta, wood, and those all stuff. We'll mine offline, and we'll do it in next episode. Do you want to say like and subscribe?
Yeah,
Please like,
share, subscribe with all notifications on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and goodbye.